So hello guys and welcome to this video, and today is another investing portfolio overview, and I'm basically going to be showing you my portfolio, what investments I am currently holding, if I'm up, if I'm down, and also how much I have in my Trading 212 and my Freetrade accounts. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also leave a like. And so let's get into this video. We don't want to waste no time, so let's get straight into it. I'm going to load up Trading 212 right now, and then we can see the stocks. So Trading 212 is now loaded up completely. We are currently sitting at £8,910 in the accounts. So I only hold three stocks. And as you guys can see, I still hold Healthier Choices Management, HCMC. And if you guys didn't check out my latest video, which was the $150 to $5,000 video, that's explaining all about Healthier Choices. If you have not seen that yet, you'll know about this stock and you can learn a bit about it. But this stock has been doing very well for me. Obviously this week isn't the big week. Next week is the big week because obviously the court case. So when the court case happens on the 26th, which is Friday, it's going to be hectic. It's going to be a bloodbath. Always going to be a skyrocketing happy day. So yeah. So I invested, obviously, if you guys know it's already, just skip past the video, but I invested at 0.0001 and now it's currently at 0.0035, so I'm up 35 times my amount, which says 3,138% up. So I'm basically up 3.8 grand already. So that is all beautiful. Let's go to the next stock, and the next stock is of course NEO. NEO's kind of had a bumpy ride the past week. It's literally dipped 8% in the past week. The week before that it was hitting 64, and then now it's just kind of bloodbathed. There's been a lot of stocks, and I think there's been a correction this past week. Everything's kind of dipped. There was like 3 red days in a row, but it was kind of obvious it was going to happen because don't forget, a lot of stocks hit their all-time high. The S&P hit their all-time high, so we will just leave it as that for now. We're not worrying about NEO though. We're going to hold for long hold. I was thinking of selling NEO and jumping on at CCIV because of their merger they've just had with Lucid Motors, but I'm just going to just hold NEO for the long term. I don't want to sell it or anything. And the last stock, which I do have indeed, is Virtual Armor, and this ticker is VLTR. I didn't realise it actually went up this much in a day. Okay, that's crazy. I was down quite a lot with this stock. It's not looking too good. I bought in at an average of 25 cents. It's now at 20 cents 31. At the moment it's saying I'm down 38%, but however, it says the sell price is 15 cents. It obviously hasn't updated properly. This stock is just a punt because I did have this money in TAUG, I don't know if you guys remember, and I wanted to just jump on this stock just for the sake of it. I did use my AMC winnings or losses on this stock just to kind of just see what can happen. It's currently not too bad. I have been up like 30% once, down 30%, as you can see now. It's been very free fall. It's just been a weird stock to hold really, but I'm just going to hold it for long term because it has just been IPO'd on Trading 212. So we'll see if this goes up. It's a cyber security company. I don't know much about this company. I went for the punt, so don't hate. So there you go. Currently we're sitting at 366% just on the Trading 212 investment portfolio, which I think is a decent amount in the space of a few months. 8 months maybe, 9 months. So now we'll load up Freetrade, which is my other brokerage site. We'll go straight into it, use Face ID, boom, boom, boom. So my general investment account, we have NEO, of course, 288% up. It's the exact same. I bought the exact same price as my Trading 212 one. So yep, 288%, the same as Trading 212 one. I did something stupid. So with my AMC losses, I ended up selling and buying a company called Pineapple Power, and it's a UK company which is basically green energy SPAC. I'm going to hold because obviously green energy is for the long term. I did buy in about 11p a share. It's now at 8.5p, so I'm down quite a bit. It says I'm down about 20%, but I'm not stressing too much because it's for the long term. We're just going to stick and hold. It did hit around about 13, so I would have been up before, but we're just going to hold because I just literally wanted to get out of AMC and jump straight into this stock. Obviously I don't know too much about the stock, but I just read a few things and I know for the long term it could be a winner. It is a UK stock. You know I don't like investing in UK stocks, but I like the name Pineapple and it's got a nice coloured logo, so I thought let's go for it. I also hold Sorrento Therapeutics. That was a free share of mine and it's up 80%. It's just annoying why I get my free shares and they just bang. Tilray was one of them. Is that Tilray's just got up so much and I had to sell. So yeah, obviously hold the FTSE 100. That's up a good 2% in a space of like 2 weeks. So I'm not really complaining. And then we have the UK oil and gas, which is just a write-off. Don't worry about that. And then we load up the stocks and shares ISA. So I just have 2 shares, which you guys know one of them already. £1,808 on my investment ISA. Obviously, we hold the one and only Disney. Disney has been a really nice stock to hold the past few weeks. It did hit $190 a share, which is mental. I think it did hit like $194. But obviously, I bought in about $80 to $90 a share. I don't really know. But it says I'm up 45%, which is beautiful. £500 I'm up basically, which if you guys, American guys want to know, that's around about $750. So the other stock I hold is Pineapple Power. Why did I buy this stock? It was my AMC losses, like I said. I have 2,718 shares of this company. I'm currently down £63, mainly about $80, maybe about $90, 21% down. We will see what happens with this stock. If it does keep going down, if it does hit about 5p, I probably will just cut my losses and go. We'll see what happens though. Hopefully this week will be good because it's just been a crazy week last week. Hopefully we do see some green somewhere. So yeah guys, at the moment my 3 investment portfolios equate to £12,247, which is roughly about almost $15,000. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like I said, if you are new, and also leave a like because it does mean the world. Drop a comment if there's any stocks you think I should invest in or what you guys are holding. And yeah guys, peace out people. See ya. Bye.